beautiful day. When nobody answers, you start listening to your own thoughts instead. Now that is where I am today. The waiting, listening to those ideas, how quiet it can be. From the video last week, there's been quiet space, and your mind can gently assess where you need to be, listening to those thoughts, letting those ideas flow, not listening to others, not allowing all those years of people telling you to do things. And usually they just walk away when they've told you to do things. So now I'm listening to me and where those thoughts take me. I realized that I'd been measuring progress by who replies. But the real progress is that I'm still creating, still making a difference. What I've discovered about myself is that I'm correct. Don't listen to other people. Don't let them influence you. Yesterday, there was quiet, and I went out to do some filming, some background shots with Ed, a great actor, for End of Days. And what I learned is that we were just able to create some really good material in such a short period of time. There's nothing wrong with silence. There's nothing wrong with being alone. There's nothing wrong with having less people in your life. What you can do is do a lot more without voices from other people in your head trying to direct you into paths that take you so far away from where you were meant to go. And that's something that I'm really learning now. And I've got these next years to do something about it. 600 people watched me talk in the last video. That's 600 people that I've talked through pure honesty. Connection. I'm still here. I've got a long week ahead. Each step is a major step. Book writing, editing, looking after my sheep, communicating with people like you. What more do I need to do in life? So, if you're in that silent space too, just keep making, creating, and comment one word in yourself. Still, STILL. Because we're still learning, even in the most quietest of spaces, the quietest of zones in our lives. Go out there and believe in yourself. And don't forget that phrase. You know the one? A phrase I keep hearing a great deal lately. Oh heed, I'm still here. That's what we say in Cymraeg. That's what this is all about. Still here, still alive, still creating, and keep watching. Thank you very much.